Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Glossier unboxing and I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box, and I noticed that they didn't put the Glossier tape on it, probably because they ran out of the tape, but I'm not going to be using my mini scissors because I lost them. I am going to find them though, but I don't know where they are. I usually keep them in this drawer, but they're not there, so I lost them at the moment, but I'm going to find them. But for now, I'm just gonna use these regular scissors, and I'm just gonna open this up. And there's what I got. So I actually got this perfume sample for my mom because she wanted to see what it smelled like, but this is a sample I chose. It's just the Glossier perfume. And then I got the, oh, it's bent in half. Well, I got the Glossier sticker, but yeah, it's just this one. It's blue and like a yellow color. And here is everything I got in this little bag. Yeah, okay. Wait. Yeah. I keep forgetting what I got. Yes, this is what I ordered. So I know they came out with a new moisturizer, and I saw that literally the day I ordered this, the next day they came out with their new moisturizer. But I got the Glossier birthdaybalm.com, and yes, I already have this, but I really like it. I think it's my favorite one, which is kind of funny because I thought it was going to be my least favorite one. But the box just looks like this. It has cake on the sides of it. And then there it is in the top, and they each have a different color on the inside. And here's the lip balm. And I'm not going to open this one until I finish my other one. I'm not sure if it has a seal on it. No, it doesn't. But I'm not going to use this one until I finish my other one, just because I don't want to be using two of the same lip balm at the same time when I could just be using one. So I got this one, and I really like it. I like the sparkles in this, and I also like the scent of it, so I think that's why this is my favorite one. I'm actually really excited about this. This is the Glossier lip gloss, and I think this was a set. I don't remember if it was a set or I got it all separately, but here it is, and I chose the clear one, but it just looks like this. The packaging, pink on the sides, and this lip gloss was $14. I don't remember how much the Fenty Beauty one was. I think that one was like $16. So I'm editing the video and I looked up the actual price of the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and it is actually $19. So I said 16 in the video, but I was wrong. It's actually 19. I really like the e.l.f. lip gloss, which is $1, but I wanted to try it out. I'm not going to use it right now because I have the Glossier lip balm on from over there, but it's like, I want to smell this, just see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. I didn't think it was going to have a scent. Should I put it on? Yeah, I'm going to put it on. It's really thick. That's like the first thing I noticed. And I don't think it's sticky. I heard some people say that it was sticky. I don't think it is though. But the sad thing is, each time you use it, it gets like little bubbles on the inside. But it's really cute packaging. I really like it. And it's a really thick lip gloss, I will say that. So I like it. Next thing I got, I don't remember what this was. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, wait. I think this was a set. I'm pretty sure it was. It actually was a set, and it's called the Core Lip Collection, and it is $35. But if you don't get the set and you get like each thing separately, it's originally $44. So if you want all three of the items, I recommend getting the set just because you save more money. But yes, it was a set. This is the Generation G lipstick. And I got the shade Cake just because I don't really like having lip color on my lips. So I wanted to go with the most natural one, and I think that would be Cake in my opinion. So let's see what this looks like. The packaging is just really similar to the lip gloss. They're just both the name and then pink on the sides of them. So it just says the name on the bottom right there. It says Cake, and it has this really pretty packaging. So let's open it. Here it is. That's what it looks like. I think the color is super pretty. It just looks like that. And I'm going to swatch this on my hand so I can see the color. That's the color, and I actually really like it. I think it's super pretty, and I'm really happy with the shade. I was trying to decide if I wanted the shade Cake or Leo. I wasn't really sure, but I'm really happy that I chose Cake because I think it's a really pretty color. And obviously I'm not going to try it on my lips because I just put the lip gloss and I have the Balm.com under that. But I just rubbed it out and it's still there. It's just a lot more sheer. This set just comes with a lip balm, a lip gloss, and then whatever color Generation G you want to get. Same with the lip balm. You just choose which one you want. And then they have 3 options for the lip gloss. I think it's like a red one, a sparkly one, and a clear one. So you get to choose which ones you want. Next thing I got was this Glossier Mega Greens Galaxy Pack. And I actually have this one. I think it's in this drawer. But me and my mom have both been using this and we both really like it. So I decided to get a backup in case we use all of this one. You guys can see we've definitely been using it, but we both really like it. So I decided to get another one. And this is the brand new one. And I'm pretty sure they're sealed. Yeah. So the really nice thing about this is it's sealed, so it's not going to be like drying out while you're using the other one. I have oily skin, so that's why I haven't gotten the other one they have, which is a moisturizing mask. I don't really think I need moisture since my skin is already oily and I already use moisturizer, but I really like this one. The final thing I got is this Glossier priming moisturizer, and it's a little bit bent, but it just looks like this. And I have the Glossier Luxury Priming Moisturizer. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. A day after I placed this order, they came out with the moisturizer for oily skin. I'm kind of sad I got this one instead of the one for oily skin, but hopefully this one works out good. I like their luxury one. It's just a little bit too much for the summertime since it is really hot right now. So I decided to get this one, and then they came out with the oily skin one. I might get that one. I'm not really sure. I heard it takes like 4 to 6 pumps just to cover your whole face, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that. I'll have to see in the future and read the reviews about it. But the reviews about this one were pretty good, so that's why I decided to get it. Put it on my hand. Oh, I could have put it on my face. I have no moisturizer on. Okay, it smells, I don't really know how to explain this. I don't usually get like dry skin. If I do, it's right around here. It's like the only spot my skin gets dry at, so only like this spot. Yes, I do have to try this out just so I can give my full opinion on it, so I have to see if I break out from it or anything like that. But so far, I really like this. That is everything I ordered from Glossier, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!